All right, Angela's here with a little bit of everything in the forecast in the days ahead.
That really sums it up. We have rain, strong winds that may be damaging winds, enough for power outages, snow, a flash freeze, and cold, really cold air.
Yeah, that's what's really got my attention.
Yeah, and it's a high impact storm. So I'm going to start with this map, and I think this really sums up the story that yes, we've got a little bit of everything, and a good part of the country impacted by this winter storm. These are all the watches, the warnings, the advisories. A lot of that tan color that you see covering the Gulf Coast has to do with wind. We are locally under a high wind watch that most likely will be upgraded. The northern part of the state under winter weather advisories and winter storm warnings. They're under blizzard warnings. Those are highlighted here in red across a good part of Iowa, a high impact storm system that will have a local impact in the form of rain, wind, some snow, followed by bitter cold the early part of next week. We've got a lot to get to, so we're going to bring it back close to home where we do have the winter weather advisory in effect for the northern part of the state and a couple of the counties north, including the South Bend area, under a winter storm warning. It's in this area that's highlighted in this kind of purple color that may end up with 2 to 4 inches of snow. No rain, no snow today. We made it to 42 this afternoon. Our low this morning was 33. Averages are 36 and 21. Friday forecast does include rain. It is going to be heavy at times from 4 a.m. to 4 p.m. before we start to see that transition to snow. Expecting anywhere from 1 inch to 1.5 inches of rain. On top of that, as temperatures drop and we get some wraparound snow showers that could be heavy at times tomorrow evening, we could pick up a quick inch or two of snow along and just north and south of I-70, and then in that advisory area, 2 to 4 inches of snow. The far northern part of the state, even more snow. Let's get to the hour-by-hour timeline. This is tonight at 11 o'clock. We are still dry. By 4 a.m. tomorrow, as sunrise gets underway, leading edge of the heavy rain is in the western part of the state. It moves quickly from west to east. It will start to impact Indianapolis and surrounding communities by about 6 or 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. By 8 a.m., as yes, we've got the morning drive well underway, the rain is going to be heavy. It continues through midday. You can see it here with Future Track 13. Mentioned the wraparound snow showers. That's going to happen as the winds start to kick up and the colder air arrives tomorrow late afternoon, early evening, thinking that 4 to 7 p.m. time frame for the transition, and then the bursts of snow will be steady at times from 7 p.m. to 11 p.m. What will follow, the big drop in temperature, as next week we're only going to be 10 to 15 degrees for highs. And let me tell you, that drop in temperature you're going to feel as early as tomorrow night as wind chills go into the single digits. By Saturday night, those wind chills are sub-zero. So we've got some dangerous cold that will follow the rain, the wind, and the snow.
Lovely.
I know there's so much information, so just kind of check back with us because I know it's a lot to kind of take in.
Sure well, it is. I was saying that to Scott yesterday. I was like, it's warm, but then it's going to rain, but then there's going to be snow, but it's going to be cold. It's hard to keep track.
And it's going to last for a long time.
Yes. So several check-ins with us the next few days.
Right. Okay. Thanks so much, Angela.